Magandang umaga po sa sign ng Gemini, Aquarius, Libra, Lola Baby. Nagpapakilala po. Bigyan ko kayo ng timeless reading ngayong buwan para sa mga natitirang araw-linggo ng buwan ng Hunyo. General po ito, hindi po ito personal reading. So titingnan po natin kung saan tayo dadalhin, okay, ng inyong tarot energy. Yan ha. So isa lang pong subscribes kung di pa po kayo nakasubscribe. Salamat po. Likes at share lang po. So narito ang tinatawag na the energy of the world, Saturn. Okay? So it has something to do for some of you. Maring ito yung tinatawag na popular kayo, di ba? Popular kayo sa society, sa community, yan. Maybe it has something to do about your work, about your profession, di ba? Maybe for some of you, ito yung tinatawag, maybe meron kayong tinatawag na platform sa social media. Okay? Maaring for some of you, tinatawag na popular kayo. Okay? So, meron dito ang tinatawag na the Ace of Cups. Yan, okay? So, nakikita ko dito, it has something to do about your emotions, di ba? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Six of Cups. Yan, okay? So, nakikita ko dito, it's about your relationship, okay, to others. Yan, ha? For some of you, nakikita ko, it's about your career. What career? Okay, it's your career. It's about your profession, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, what you do to others. Okay, yan. Maybe sabihin na natin napakaluag ninyo sa pagbibigay ng tulong. Kung kaya dito nakikita, okay? Yung tinatawag na people are talking about you. Okay? It's like maluwag kayo sa pagbibigay ng tulong sa ibang tao. Okay? Maaaring ito sabihin natin sa mga friends, family, diba? Relatives, yan. Neighbors, diba? Yan. People from all walks of life. Nakikita ko lang dito. It's like tinatawag, ikaw ang solusyon para maibsan ang kanilang kahirapan. Okay? It's like malaki ang role ninyo. Okay? Malaki ang role ninyo dito sa mga tao na ito. Diba? Maaring sabihin na natin you give them support, helps, diba? Or tinatawag an advice. Yan. That's why malapit sila sa inyo. Malapit. Okay? Malapit ang puso nila sa inyo. Okay? Lapat. Yan ha. So narito yung tinatawag na the Three of Swords. Yan, okay? So ibig sabihin ng the Three of Swords na ito is tinatawag na it has something to do about people. So nakikita ko, you are working with people. It's about your relationship with people. Diba? Maybe it's your siblings. It has something to do about your profession. Diba? It's about your service, what you do for others. Diba? Ano itong ini-offer mo sa kanila. O kaya dito nakikita, it's about your greatness sa tinatawag na the world. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito with the planet Saturn. Okay? Yan, it's like the world is in your hands. Yan na. You can manifest. Okay, ano? Kaya dito lumabas ang tinatawag na the Page of Pentacles. You can manifest what you want. Diba? So what is this? It's tinatawag, it's about your work. Diba? It's about your wealth. It's about your name. It's about your prestigious. Diba? Popularity. What you can do. Napaka matulungin ninyo. Diba? Yan. You're always thinking about your family. Kaya naman lumabas dito ang the Five of Swords, di ba? Ito yung tinatawag na ano ang nare-receive ninyo sa tao, okay? When you give, okay? What they want, di ba? Ang kapalit is yung tinatawag na friendship, okay? It's like a papuri. Yan, acclamation ba yun? No? Yan, di ba? Very, very rewarding. So, nakikita ko dito is maganda ang kanilang feedback about you, di ba? Maganda ang kanilang comments about you, especially kung nasa social media kayo, especially if your work has something to do about people. Yan ha. So nakikita dito palibot kayo ng iba't ibang klase ng mga tao, be it family, friends, society, community, di ba? Siblings, especially your parents, relatives. That's why you are the star of the show. Yan, no? Pinapahalagan, mataas ang pagpapahalaga nila sa inyo. Napakataas ng pagpapahalaga. Mataas ang pagtingin nila sa inyo. Yan, no? Napakataas. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na hindi it's like hindi matutumbasan, di ba? Hindi kayang tumbasan, okay? Ng salapi, yan ang ginagawa mo sa kanila. Kaya dito nakikita, nagsanib ang tinatawag na the world and the stars, the Aquarius, di ba? Yan, no? What you receive, what you get, okay? Either nare-receive mo papuri, or in the form of money, or in the form of anong tawag dito, recognition, okay? Or in the form of it's about your reputation, diba? Especially from the people very, very close to your hearts. Especially to the people na kilalang kilala kayo. Madali kayong lapitan, okay? You never disappoint them. Kung kaya mo, you will give, okay? So yan ang energy na nakukuha ko sa inyo, okay? So meron dito ang tinatawag na the Two of Swords, di ba? So it has something to do about your work, di ba? It has something to do about your profession. It has something to do about your family, okay? It's about your relationship to your family, to other people, friends, narito, okay? Yan na. So ibig sabihin nitong the wheel of fortune, luck is on the way for you. Para ito is i-harvest, di ba? Okay? Luck, ibig sabihin maybe for some of you, it's about gains. It has something to do about gains. Anong tawag dito? Wealth, di ba? Reputation, your name, di ba? Popularity, friends, more new friends arriving, di ba? More, it's like tinatawag na people wants to anong tawag dito, gusto nilang sabihin na nating build a relationship with you, okay? They want to, it's like a team up. They want to team up. Gusto nilang makipag-team up sa inyo, okay? Because nakikita dito, okay? Yan, it's about your genuinity. You are very, very genuine. Genuine ang inyong pagkatao. Yan, kaya dito nakikita. Okay? They appreciate. Okay? They appreciate you. Yan, ha? So the world of, tinatawag the wheel of fortune, nakalagay din. Okay? For some of you, it's like tinatawag na meron dito maswerte sa abroad, di ba? Maybe it has something to do about their job abroad, di ba? Meron dito yung tinatawag the relationship with the foreigners, di ba? Maybe you have a lot of foreigners friends. Ito yung tinatawag you are married with a foreigner, okay? You are also, ibig sabihin nito, you have wealth abroad. Yan, you have a beautiful house, di ba? You have everything. You have everything. Yan, ha? Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na, okay? People are attracted to your energy. Yan, ha? Okay? So, for some of you, it has something to do about travel planning. Yan, nagpa-plan kayo. There is a highlights dito ang travel planning. Maybe you want to see your family, di ba? Visit your family, your friends, di ba? Maybe it has something to do about work, di ba? Yan. So, it's more about, nakikita ko dito, your relationship, di ba? With your family, especially with your family, friends, and then, ito yung narito din yung tinatawag na marriage and money. Okay? It has something to do about money relationship too. Di ba? Yan, no? Nakikita dito. Tinatawag, you have a you are highly ano dito, highly regards by people. Okay? Paano nila ikaw dito pinupuri? Nakikita ko lang. The Four of Pentacles. Yan, narito ang The Four of Pentacles. Okay? It's about, I think it's another, ang nakikita ko dito ay another energy. Diba? Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, it's about your relationship. Okay? There's something to do about your relationship to others. Diba? Yan. So, ano itong tinatawag na the Five of Pentacles? Yan, ha? Okay? So, that's another relationship ang nakikita ko. Okay? Maybe ito yung tinatawag na them. Okay? It's them. Yan, ha? Okay? It's like you are worried, you worried a lot. Okay? Kumbaga dito, masyadong yung inaalaala. You're very, very concerned about others, okay? How you can help them. Kumbaga dito ay nakikita mo ang kanilang tinatawag existence, ang kanilang pangangailangan, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, how can you ease, okay? Tinatawag, paano mo ma-ease ang kanilang mga kakulangan, di ba? Sa tinatawag na the Four of Pentacles to the Five of Pentacles. So, nakikita ko for some of you here, kaya siguro tinawag na the world and the stars and the wheel of fortune. Diba? It's like napakalaki ng nakaatang sa inyong balikat. Diba? Yan, kung pwede nga lang lahat magawa mo sa kanila. Ben, kasi nakikita dito may mga pangangailangan ka din. It's like, may mga pangangailangan ka din, pero hindi mo matanggihan, di ba? It's like hindi mo kayang makita na naghihirap din sila, di ba? Because of the Two of Cups yan. So it has something to do about maybe, sabihin na natin mga sa marriage, di ba? Maybe your spouses, di ba? Maybe, it's more about, sandali, ibang energy na ito, ha? Okay? So, maaring ito'y sabihin na natin your spouses needs your attention, di ba? Maybe your spouses needs more of your time, di ba? Maybe dito yung tinatawag na hindi mo laang alam, di ba? Yung mga pangangailangan, akala mo na ibigay mo na, maaari ito'y spouses din dahil lumabas ito, okay? Tinatawag na the Two of Swords, it has something to do about the relationship in the family, at home. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung mga pangangailangan nila, di ba? Yan. They want your attention. They want your tinatawag na sensitivity. Yan, ha? So, it's more about tinatawag na family. Okay? Marriage ang nakikita ko dito. Okay? So, the Six of Swords is more about tinatawag na it's like climbing the mountain of Kilimanjaro, climbing the mountain of, ano tawag dito? Yan, something like that. Everest, the mountain of Everest, di ba? It's about your dreams, your ambitions, di ba? It's like nobody stops you, okay? Because you want to reach your ambition, your tinatawag na your dreams, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, no matter what happens, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, climbing the top, okay? Yan. It's about a corporate position, okay? Yan. So, kung kaya dito sa tinatawag na the world and the Aquarius, okay? It's like nakikita dito, there is no hindrance para marating mo ang ituktok. Okay? Ng tagumpay. So, gamitan ko ng ibang, the Hermit, okay? It's about your passions, di ba? It's like, walang nakakaalam. It's only you, okay? It's only you. It's like, if you have a talent, a skills, a gift, di ba? You have to show it. So people can hear it. People wants to know, they are eager, okay? To know what about your talents, your gifts, your skills, di ba? Yan, no? Share it to the world, okay? What about your gifts, okay? Yan. For some of you, ito yung tinatawag natatago ninyong gifts, di ba? So for some of you, it's about napaka-private, okay? Napaka-private person ninyo, di ba? Okay? It's like during your privacy, di ba, pag-iisa. Dito, nakikita, you're very, very expressive, di ba? Okay? So, nakikita dito yung tinatawag, the growth, your growth, di ba? It's about your relationship to others, di ba? It's like people are very, very attracted sa inyo, di ba? Yan, it's like tinatawag, they want to build relationship with you. Yan, kita ninyo. Malaki ang paghanga, malaki ang pagtingin, malaki ang respeto nila sa inyo. Okay? So, nakikita dito, for some of you, yung tinatawag na the new you. Okay? It's about you. It's like you're a social butterfly. Okay? The big transformation is happening to you. Dito sa tinatawag na the stars and the world. Yan, the wheel of fortune. Diba? It's like for some of you, maybe you're a very, very different person compared from before. Okay? Whatever heartaches, ibig sabihin nito. It's like tinatawag na pangungulila, di ba? Kakapusan. Yan, di ba? It's something like tinatawag pangangailangan ng iba. Yan, oh. Ibig sabihin nito, you are showing them. It's like kung naawa ka sa kanila, di ba? It's not only giving what they want. It's like, hindi mo ito ibinibigyan ng madali, ng tinatawag, sige, gusto mong pera, are ang pera, sige, gusto mong pag-ibig, are ang pag-ibig. You are teaching them, okay? You are teaching them how to fish. Yan. If they have heartaches, di ba? It's like, hindi madaling kuhanin ang isang bagay. They have to work hard for it, di ba? It's like you are teaching them how to fish, di ba? It's like tinatawag na kailangan, kaya ang buhay is hindi laang palaging aasa sa iyo, di ba? Kaya dito nakikita napakaraming tao. It's like tinatawag na ikaw is lapitin kanila, di ba? So, yan na po nakikita ko for some of you, whatever is this, the hangman, di ba? So, ibig sabihin yan, the hangman na iyan is about your, for some of you, yan, it's about solitude, pag-iisa, di ba? Spending time for yourself, maybe it has something to do about your religion, about your faith, maybe for some of you, tinatawag na it's about your health, di ba? Pampering yourself, di ba? Yan, no? Pampering yourself. Maybe sabihin na natin you want to go to the sauna. Okay? Yan. So maybe for some of you, kaya malakas itong tinatawag na you are planning for a travel. Yan ha, travel abroad. Yan. So for some of you, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na they live in a, marami sa inyo nakatira sa ibang bansa. Marami sa inyo tinatawag na maybe it has something to do. Nakikita ko dito yung tinatawag your profession, di ba? What about your profession? Nasa isang lugar kayo, di ba? It's like tinatawag malayo kayo sa family ninyo, di ba? Yaan. So it's like tinatawag na malapit na, maaring for some of you, malapit nang matapos ang kanilang contract, di ba? Yan. Because you are dealing with the foreigners. Narito, ha? Okay. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na malapit na, okay? Ang wheel of fortune umaandar. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, for some of you, there is a trouble happening, especially before Christmas. Okay? Yan, before the autumn. Yan ha. So, ibig sabihin nito, for some of you, kaya yung tinatawag na a new you, a very, very big transformation is happening to you. Diba? It's like, sabihin na natin dito na tinatawag, you are different from the past. Na kilala nila. Diba? What makes you different? Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na panahon. Okay? It's like binago ka ng panahon, hinubog ka ng panahon, 'di ba? So for some of you, don't you ever forget you are popular. Hindi mo lang alam what you do to others. Hindi mo lang alam kung ano itong ginagawa mo sa kanila. Yan. Is nakikita dito na napakalaki ng impact na nagagawa mo sa ibang tao. Okay? That makes you different, di ba, from them. So, nakikita dito yung tinatawag na paghanga nila. Yan, no? Dito. Narito yung tinatawag paghanga nila. How they praise you, how they respect you, highly regards, di ba? It's like tinatawag you are highly regards by so many people.